Hello, little friends. Today, we're exploring cows, a familiar friend in wide open fields. Have you ever heard a cow go moo? Let's listen together. Cows are friendly animals that live on farms and fields. They play an important role in agriculture. Did you know? An adult cow can weigh up to 600 to 700 kilograms. Cows use their moo sounds to communicate and express their feelings. For example, when they're hungry or want attention, they moo louder. Let's hear a cow moo now. Did you know cows are very smart animals? They can recognize over 50 different faces, even humans. Plus, they love lying down to chew grass and nap under the warm sun. We hope you enjoyed learning fun facts about cows. Don't forget to listen to their moo moo one more time.